So I recently ran into an issue where my GE dishwasher did not want to start, did not want to do anything, so naturally the first thing I did was made sure it was plugged in and ensured that the circuit was getting power. And when I confirmed that it was plugged in and it was getting power, I was fortunate that I've decided to check the door switch first. This particular unit has two door switches, and it turned out that one of them was actually defective. In the internal parts of it, I found that it actually melted. So as a temporary fix, I repaired it and put it back in, but now I'm going to put in a replacement. This is what that switch looks like. This particular GE dishwasher has 7 screws. I've taken them out and set them in the approximate location of how they sit in. The screws that sit foremost up front are actually a finer thread than the rest. Something to keep in mind. Now that I have those out, this door should come off. Tricky to do with one hand. And we're left with that. And now the lower half of the dishwasher here, the door, because it no longer has the additional weight, is going to want to spring up on its own. Right here you will find a cover and a, I don't know what you'd call that, essentially a piece of metal that actuates the switches. If you remove the screw for that, and the piece of metal, and the, I don't want to say it's a moisture cover, and you'll see that there are 2 switches, and you can hear this one is not making a clicking sound. It's the one that I repaired. It works, but doesn't make the clicking sound. And then this one, which actually does work. So I'm just going to switch out the defective one. Just a matter of pulling the wires off and depressing this piece of plastic here backwards in order to release it. But yep, that's what was wrong with it.